Today I'm reviewing the video projector. This projector has come from WiMius brand. It's an ultralight, low-weight portable projector, and I'll walk you through the features of the product and do the unboxing and configuration if required, and also the features and a quick overview of the product. Let's get going. Let me open the box. Packing. There is a good thermocol sheet on top of it, so I'm pretty sure the packaging inside is intact, or the product inside is intact. I'll take out all the thermocols from it, and let's see what all it has got. The rubbish. So it has come with a Q&A sheet. Usual Q&A are displayed here. So it is required. It's a user manual. It has a remote, cable, so connector cables, HDMI cable, power cord, and the projector itself. Now, very lightweight. It's around 1 kg, even less than 1 kg. It's 2 pounds. Very nice, neat finish, gray metallic color, black in the front. Very nice leather handle. Portable. There is a start-stop button on the top, and you can see there is a screen here. So before using, I'll remove this sheet to protect the lens. And the product dimensions are 4 inches by 5.5 inches by 6 inches. So it's pretty compact. Weight wise, as I told you, it's 2 lbs, less than 1 kg. Very nice. Now I'll give you a quick demo of the product. To continue with the features, as I was telling you earlier, it is wireless enabled. You can connect any of your device, phone device, PC, or any device which supports screen mirroring. You can use it for that purpose. It has Bluetooth, so you can connect the device over Bluetooth, and it has speakers as well in it inbuilt. So how to set up the device? I have already plugged in the power cable into the extension cord. You need to plug in the other end here. This is the power button, or you can make the use of the remote. It has 2 AA batteries on the power on the system. I'll use the remote to power on the device. Now there are multiple options which you can use. I'll be working on the MCAST feature, that is multicast. With the help of the remote, you can see I can use multicast. Now I have selected the multicast. You select the multicast here. iOS of the phone, either you can choose AirPlay or you can use Miracast. Now I phone the focus. So I have an Android device, and I will use the multicast feature on the phone. So I need to go to the settings. I'll go into this, go to the display, and or you can go to the screen mirroring. Go to the screencast and go to the settings. You can see there are 2 options available. I have my Samsung TV available, and the P61. It is the model of this WiMius projector P61, and this is the device which I have already connected to. So when you're connecting it for the first time, you need to connect, and you need to connect like this. So you need to click after the screen mirroring Miracast, and now it displays it gives you the instructions what to do. So yes, you need to place your phone near to the projector, and you need to choose this option. So now you can see that this option has lit up. So P61, now it is connecting, and you can see on the wall over there it is showing connecting as well, and here it says connected on the phone, and you can see my phone has been displayed there. I'll quickly show you a YouTube video, and you can see the video has been displayed on the screen, and you can see the quality. You can adjust it. You can make use of the remote. If I have to rate this product, I will give this product 5 out of 5. I will mark it on 5 different features. First of all, the product quality. Product quality is amazing. The build is great. The portability, product features, wireless connectivity, build, Bluetooth connectivity, and sound quality. It's amazing, and I'm gonna give it 5 out of 5 there. Ease of installation, again, ease of installation is great. I followed the manual for, let's say, less than a minute, and I could easily set it up. When it comes to the packaging, the first look, amazing again 5 out of 5 star. Customer support, I bought this product from Amazon, and I've seen the customer reviews, 5 star there as well. And overall product, so when it comes to the overall product with all the features, this product is bagging 5 star from me. Thank you very much.